Good morning, students. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now, this is Pawan Kumar. Today, I will discuss about the topic graph of inverse trigonometric function. In class 11th, you have already discussed or you have already studied graph of t functions, means t ratios, means sine function, cos function, tan function, cosec, sec, and cot. So now today I will discuss graph of inverse trigonometric functions. So let us start. See here. Now we are going to start y is equal to sin x and y is equal to sin inverse x. So I will compare sin x and a sin inverse x function, both. You will see here. Let y is equal to sin x, or you can consider only y is equal to sin x, and similarly sin inverse x. Suppose this is two functions, the inverse of sin x, that is sin inverse x. So see here, when you will draw the axis, x axis, y axis, and their intersection. So consider this is plus 1 and this is minus 1, and this is 0 degree, angle on x axis 0 degree, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and 2 pi plus pi by 2, that result is 5 pi by 2, so on. So students, sin 0 value 0 and sin 90 value 1 means this result will be, or this graph will be, similarly this is the graph of sin x. So y is equal to sin x is graph. Now again see, first you will draw x axis, y axis, and x axis, y axis both will be perpendicular, and angle on x axis represented by in radian, that is 0 degree, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, and so on. Similarly this angle will be with negative sign, 0 degree, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, minus 5 pi by 2. So when you will draw the graph, because I know sin 90 value 1 and a sin minus 90 means minus pi by 2, result minus 1, so minus 1 is here, this is 1, and a sin pi means, see, this is the quadrant. Consider this is 0 degree, this is pi by 2, this is 2 pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, again 2 pi. So 0 degree value 0, after complete one rotation the points will come again at x axis, so again 2 pi value, that will be 0. Next again 2 pi, this is 0 degree, this is pi degree, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, again 2 pi, next 3 pi value, that is 0, next 4 pi value, that is 0, So this is the graph of sin x. Now see, y is equal to sin inverse x graph. So draw the y axis and x axis. This is the intersection of x and y axis, and angle on x axis for y is equal to sin x. So angle will be on y axis for y is equal to sin inverse x. So value will be +1 and -1 on x axis, and angle will be on y axis. So this is pi by 2, positive pi by 2, negative pi by 2, and pi, positive pi, this is negative pi. So we know when you will put x is equal to 1, when you will put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, you will get a sin inverse 1, result you will get pi by 2. So at x is equal to 1, result is maximum. Now at x is equal to 0, x is equal to pi, result you will get 0. So graph of the shape, and minus pi by 2, that will be -1. So graph will be this type. Minus pi result 0. So this is the graph of sin inverse x. Angle on y axis and value on x axis. This value is 0. So positive y axis, positive x axis, negative x axis, similarly negative x axis and negative y axis. So this is the graph of sin inverse x. In graph y is equal to sin x, when you will consider x is equal to pi by 2, then this is the maximum value. Maximum value +1, and at minus pi by 2 there is a minimum value. Angle is increasing, value lies between +1 to -1. So this will be the result. Result are coming between +1 to -1. So this will be the range. Now domain of sin x. See, domain will be set of real numbers, all real numbers, means domain is equal to R. R means set of real number, and range is coming between +1 to -1. So in closed intervals the range is +1 to -1, or we can say -1 to +1, from increasing to decreasing, from increasing order, -1 to +1. Now come on sin inverse x, domain is the value on x-axis, that is from -1 to +1. So domain is -1 to +1. This is the domain of sine inverse x, and the range will be range will be the set of all real numbers. Range will be the set of all real numbers, means that is on y-axis, set of real number, means that is -π/2 to +π/2. Now range we can write, this is π/2, this is -π/2. So this will be -π/2 to +π/2. So this is the range of sine inverse x. So now student, this is the graph of sine x, and this is the graph of sine inverse x, and its domain is set of real numbers, and the range is -1 to +1, and y is equal to sine inverse x function. The domain is from -1 to +1, and the range is -π/2 to +π/2. This is the range. Now come to the next function, y is equal to cos x. Y is equal to cos x. So y is equal to cos x, and y is equal to cos inverse x. Draw the graph. Positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis, negative x-axis. When you will see on graph or circular graph, circular point is here. Cos 0 value, cos 0 degree 1, cos π/2 0. Similarly -π/2 result 0, and this is pi result -1. So at cos 0 degree this result is +1, at cos pi degree that is -1. So maximum value 1, minimum value -1. Suppose this is point on y-axis, that is +1 and -1, and a 0 degree π/2, pi, 3π/2, 2 pi, pi value -1, 2 pi value +1, 3 pi value -1. So again 4 pi value +1. This is 5 pi/2, means symmetrical angle will be here -π/2, pi minus pi, -3 pi/2, -5 pi/2. So this is the point. And when you will draw the graph, cos 0 degree value 1 and cos pi/2 value 0. So cos pi value -1 and cos 3 pi/2 value 0. So 2 pi value 2 pi, 2 pi, that goes to +1, and 5 pi/2, 5 pi by 2 multiple of pi by 2, that is 0. So this is the value, pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. So result is 0. So figure will be symmetrical figure. So this is the graph of cos x. Now maximum value of cos, that is plus 1. Maximum value, that is plus 1. And the minimum value, that is minus 1. So domain, that is the set of real numbers. We can say R, and the range will be for y is equal to cos x, y is equal to cos x, that range will be lying between plus 1 to minus 1. So minus 1 to plus 1 in closed interval. This is the range of cos x. Now come to the graph y is equal to sin inverse cos inverse x. X axis, y axis, positive y axis, positive x axis. So this is the point 0, 0. At x is equal to, you will consider plus 1, this is the result, this is minus 1. When you will put x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2, then you will get result 0. Then you will get result 0. X is equal to pi by 2. In case y, you will get 0. So this is the point. Y is equal to 0 and x is equal to, suppose you will put 0, then maximum value will be at x is equal to 1, x is equal to 0. Suppose x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 1, means x is equal to 0, value of y, x is equal to 0 degree, x is equal to 0 degree and y is equal to 1. So similar graph, draw the points on y axis, 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, similarly minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, and there will be many points here. So at x is equal to, suppose we are putting x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2, then we cannot solve it. Y is equal to cos inverse pi by 2, and when you will consider x is equal to 0 degree, then you can set cos inverse means 0, 0 means cos of pi by 2, and this result will be pi by 2. So graph will be maximum value this, minimum value this, minus 1. So minus pi by 2 result 0, minus 1, minus pi, and so on. Similarly, because when you will put x is equal to 3 pi by 2 cos inverse 3 pi by 2 means result you will get y 0. So this is the graph of cos inverse x, and this graph is restricted between minus pi pi to 0, or we can say 0 to pi. This is the value from 0 to pi. Similarly, this is the value from minus pi to 0. So this is restricted range. So domain will be minus 1 to plus 1, and the range can be minus pi to 0 or 0 to pi, means we can set a single range, that is 0 to pi. So this is the range of cos inverse x. So student, again see, I am repeating, y is equal to cos inverse x. When you will set x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means in cos inverse x or cos inverse 0, we can set cos inverse cos of pi by 2, means at 0 you can get the result pi by 2, 0 result is pi by 2, and y means cos inverse, suppose we can set 1, so this result will be y 0. So values are lies between minus 1 to plus 1 on x axis. We have to set the values from minus 1 to plus 1 on x axis, and we keep the values from minus 1 to plus 1 for x, and y values for restricted range, that is from S shape. This is S shape. So this is from 0 to pi. 0 to pi is the restricted range. Similarly, range can be from minus pi to 0 also. So range also can be, this is pi to 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 2 pi. So pi to 2 pi, pi to 2 pi. So this can be the range also. Pi to 2 pi. So general range will be 0 to 2 pi. So this is the graph of cos inverse x. Come to the next function, y is equal to 10x and y is equal to 10 inverse x. So see, now see, for y is equal to 10x, suppose first of all you have to draw x axis and a y axis. Intersection is 0 0, this is 0 degree, pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2. Similarly, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2. So you know 10 90 value infinity, 10 90 infinity, 10 minus 90 minus infinity. When x is equal to 90, then you will get infinite result, means infinite value. So draw the line parallel to y-axis, and 10 value 10 0 value 0, and 10 minus pi by 2 result is minus infinity. So the graph will be like this. Similarly, multiple of pi by 2, because 10 90 value infinity, pi by 2 2 pi by 2 means pi, 2 pi by 2 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 result is minus infinity, 4 pi by 2 5 pi by 2. So result is at 3 pi by 2 result is also infinity, means minus infinity. So multiple of pi by 2, you will draw the line parallel to x axis, and the pi value is 0. So graph will be like this. So now this is the function of y is equal to 10x. You will see 10 90 value infinity, 10 0 value 0, 10 minus 90 value minus infinity, and 10 pi value that is 0, 10 0 0, 10 pi 0. So 10 3 pi by 2 pi by 2 2 pi by 2 3 pi by 2, result is infinity. So result goes to infinity. So this is the function of y is equal to 10x. Now see the domain of 10x. Domain, what will be its domain? Domain is on x-axis, but x is equal to 90 degree, 3 pi by 2, it is not defined. So all real number except multiple of pi by 2, means domain is all real number except multiple of pi by 2, means we can formulate 2n plus 1 pi by 2. All real number except 2n plus 1 pi by 2th term. This is for n belongs to integer, you can say, for n belongs to integer, and the range will be, you are getting the value from minus infinity to plus infinity, so its result will be minus infinity to plus infinity, means you can say this is real number, range is real number, range is real number. Now see 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2, at pi by 2 a line parallel to x-axis, multiple of pi by 2 line parallel to x-axis, this is minus pi by 2 line parallel to x-axis, minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 line parallel to x-axis. See, now when you will put x is equal to infinity, you will get y is equal to pi by 2. When you will put x is equal to minus infinity, you will get minus pi by 2. And when you will set x is equal to 0 degree, 0 value, then you will get this is 0, y 0. So restricted intervals are, that is from minus infinity to plus infinity. See, and minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So tan inverse x, domain that is set of real number, means minus infinity to plus infinity, that is real number, and range range will be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, restricted intervals, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 in restricted intervals, in open intervals, not closed intervals, because minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 in open intervals goes to infinity and minus infinity. So student, this is the graph of y is equal to tan inverse x. Its domain is minus infinity to plus infinity and the range is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Hence sin x, cos x, tan x and sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x. 6 graphs are completed.